It comes from the CSIR Central Building Research Institute in Roorkee.
Right, CBRI. And specifically, it's the work led by Dr. Debdutta Ghosh and his team there.
Exactly. The core idea is, well, a portable building unit you can get up and running incredibly quickly.
Yeah, the speed is definitely a major factor.
Okay, so what did Dr. Ghosh's team actually create? What is this thing?
It's called the Portable Temporary Building Unit. And the clever part is its collapsible design.
Collapsible how?
Imagine folding a building down until it's about, well, almost like a large piece of luggage, roughly 0.3 by 0.3 by 1.5 meters. Seriously, that's small.
Yep. And think what that means for getting it places. Storage is simple, transport is easy. You could potentially even airdrop these things.
Airdrop a building unit. Okay, that is a game changer for logistics. So it arrives, fold it up. How does it become a shelter? Is it complex?
That's the other key thing. It's designed not to be complex. Assembly is remarkably quick,
How quick?
under 30 minutes. And you only need about 4 people. No special skills, no heavy machinery.
Wow, less than half an hour, basic crew, no cranes.
Exactly. It tackles that immediate need without a huge setup delay.
Really a 5-step process, more or less. Get it there, unfold the base and the frame structure.
Okay.
Then you raise the walls and roof panels, lock them in, secure the whole thing, maybe a simple foundation depending on the site, and then just set up the inside bits.
Sounds pretty intuitive. Designed so people without construction backgrounds could manage it quickly.
That's the core idea. Make it rapid and accessible.
And what about the actual space you get once it's unfolded?
It expands to a 4-meter by 4-meter footprint.
So 16 square meters.
Yep, with a height of about 3.5 meters. So a decent usable space.
Mm.
And even fully set up, the whole thing weighs less than 160 kilograms.
Still incredibly light for its size.
Okay, so we've got the why, the need, the what, this clever foldable unit, the how, that super fast assembly. Let's talk outcomes. Where does this innovation from Dr. Ghosh and CSIR-CBRI really make a difference? Oh, the applications are broad. Disaster relief is probably the most obvious. Think earthquakes, floods, cyclones, getting immediate safe shelter up.
Makes sense. What else?
Construction sites for temporary worker cabins, military field posts, temporary clinics, maybe for health emergencies or quarantine situations.
Like we saw needed during the pandemic.
Exactly. Could even be used for temporary classrooms in rural areas or extra shelter during big events like festivals or pilgrimages.
So it's incredibly versatile, from urgent humanitarian aid to, planned temporary infrastructure.
That adaptability is key. It shows the strength of the design from Dr. Ghosh's team. It's not just one niche solution.
Right. It seems the outcome here is a genuinely practical, rapidly deployable unit that addresses basic needs across a whole range of scenarios.
I think that sums it up well. The pioneering work at CSIR-CBRI under Dr. Ghosh has delivered something with potentially significant positive impact. Speed, self-sufficiency, usability. It ticks a lot of boxes.
So wrapping up, the big takeaway is this really innovative approach to temporary shelter from CSIR, CBRI, and Dr. Ghosh's team.